Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay guys, so today is Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it's freestyle, any color, theme, or style. So let's jump right into it, guys. So this is being hosted by the Ladies of Elegance. That's the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. Now I'm going to be linking the host down below in the description box along with our channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure guys and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see what everybody did on Tablescape Tuesdays. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, I'm going to be creating a cozy dining experience for two people in my living room. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and put this together. So I'll see you at the end. So now let me tell you a little bit about the table. Everything in the background there that I used to decorate the table were all DIY items. And I think they came out gorgeous. So now we have the charger that came from Hobby Lobby, and the plates came from the Dollar Tree. This was a very budget-friendly tablescape, and the drinkware, all of that came from the thrift store. So it is absolutely gorgeous, and we are at the reveal right now. So I'm gonna see you at the end of this. So I think everything came out beautiful, and I hope you agree. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.